Are you ready to learn how to make your very own frankincense oil? Get ready to unlock the power of this magical resin and embark on an aromatic adventure like never before. Frankincense oil is a precious gift from nature, known for its numerous benefits and captivating scent. And guess what? You can make your very own frankincense oil at home, and I'm here to show you how. So let's dive in and get started on this amazing DIY oil making journey. Here's a simple and exciting recipe for making your very own frankincense oil. For the ingredients, you would need frankincense resin. You can choose your favorite type, such as Boswellia cartieri. You would also need a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil, almond oil, or fractionated coconut oil. You would need a glass jar with a tight fitting lid. And optional, you would need a dark colored glass bottle for storing the finished oil. The instructions for doing your own frankincense oil. Step 1 is to start by crushing the frankincense resin into smaller pieces. You can use a mortar and pestle or wrap the resin in a clean oil and gently tap it with a hammer to break it down. This will help release the aromatic oils from the resin and make it easier to infuse into the carrier oil. Step 2 is to place that crushed frankincense resin into a glass jar with a tight fitting lid. Make sure the jar is clean and dry because moisture can affect the quality of the oil. Step 3 is to pour the carrier oil of your choice over the frankincense resin in the jar. The amount of oil will depend on the quality of the resin and your desired concentration of the oil. As a general guideline, you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of resin for every 1 cup of carrier oil. Step 4, close the jar tightly with a lid and give it a good shake to ensure that the resin is well coated with the oil. Step 5, place the jar in a warm, dark spot, such as a windowsill or a cupboard, and let it sit for at least a week. This will allow the resin to infuse into the carrier oil and create a potent frankincense oil. Step 6. After a week or longer, strain the oil using a fine mesh strainer or a cheesecloth to remove the solid resin pieces. You can repeat the process if you want a stronger oil. Step 7. Transfer the strained oil into a dark colored glass bottle for storage. This will help to protect the oil from light and preserve its potency. Step 8. Your homemade frankincense oil is now ready to use. Apply it on the skin, use it for massages, or add it to your favorite DIY skincare or hair care recipes for a luxurious and aromatic experience. Here are my favorite tips and tricks. Experiment with different types of frankincense resin to discover your favorite scent profile. Each type does have its unique aroma, and you may find that one resonates with you. Use a high quality carrier oil to ensure the best result. Look for cold pressed or unrefined oils for the highest quality and purity. Feel free to customize your frankincense oil by adding other essential oils or fragrance oils of your choice to enhance the aroma. Get creative and make it uniquely yours. Store your frankincense oil in a cool, dry, dark place to extend its shelf life and preserve its potency. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or high temperatures. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust the recipe to suit your preferences. You can use more or less resin and carrier oil depending on your desired concentration of the oil. Making your own frankincense oil is a thrilling and rewarding experience. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe for more. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.